Does magical fairy dust increase performance on a video network? What do you think? I doubt it, right? I'm more convinced though that a lot of vendors want you to believe that. So let's take a look at what actually causes performance. There are two things to look at when it comes to performance: your individual network and your aggregate network. That's the whole thing all together. So let's start with the individual workstations. The individual workstations need two things: a high quality 10 gig NIC set up by somebody that knows what they're doing. Now, a lot of video vendors, ProMAX included, do network performance tuning. So does this really matter? It helps. The reality is that performance tuning is real, but it's the 20%. It's not the 80%. So when you want to maximize an individual workstation, make sure you have a high quality NIC set up by somebody that knows what they're doing. Any additional performance on top of that from video tuning is just icing on the cake. Now, when it comes to your aggregate network performance, check out the blog on max versus sustained performance. Brian from our engineering team put that together. Awesome blog, really helpful in understanding how to read specs from vendors. Now, if you want to maximize performance on your aggregate system, you need two things. One, you need a modern system. It should be 12G SAS Internal. Any vendor in the video space should be only speccing out 12G SAS, and most of them are. That said, after that, it's really as simple as having more drives, more hard drives, more SSDs. If you can go SSD, go SSD. Especially when it comes to sustained performance over time, that makes a huge difference. But there's nothing that will give you more performance versus having more drives, whether they're hard drives or SSDs. If you have 24 drives on a modern system, you will get more performance than if you have 16 drives on a modern system. It's really that simple. So max out those drives, get high quality 10 gig NICs, work with companies that know what they're doing and know how to set this up, and you will have awesome performance. Hope this is helpful.